Dear students, now we are seeing dressing manners. Dressing manners plays an important role. Dress says what personality you are. Mahatma Gandhi, a man, wore a dress, just a dhoti, and he attended a round table conference speaking with the queen and speaking with the prime ministers of the world leaders. Just a he is called half naked man, but he is able to shake the empire. But why did he wear that dress? Because he want to symbolize the majority of Indians who are suffering from poor. So dress plays an important role. It gives an identification to you, what you are. White dress for nurses, khaki shirts for policemen, navy blue color shirt and pant for sailors. This is a uniform. Uniform is there for to identify which group you belong. There is one other dress methods which you use for official purposes. In office, it is called formal dress and informal dress. Now we are going to say what type of dresses suits for what type of men. For a fat man who is bulkier, should he wear a loose shirt and loose pant? No, it makes him look more fat. Should he wear a thick fabric? No, he should wear a light fabric. A lean man, what type of pant and shirt should he wear? Should he wear a loose one? No, if he wears a loose one, it looks further thinner. So he has to wear a tight pant and a tight shirt. He should wear an horizontal striped shirt, where it can be the stripes may be in horizontal or in vertical, and the cloth may be in thick fabric. Women, during the time of interview, it plays an important role. Man should wear a long sleeved shirt tucked in, and you should wear a very good shoe. The color of the shoe and color of the dress should match. The belt and the pant and the shoe should match. You should have a rectangular knob, buckles, and the ladies, it's better that if she is an executive type, she can wear a frock or a pant, slack, 3-piece suit with a 1.5 inch high heels. Dressing and outer appearance, the dress, according to the color of the dress, her bag should match. A brief for men, the brief should match his pant and shirt color. Leather brief is suitable for him. If the girl has long hair, she has to roll up to her shoulder level. It should not come on her face and always disturbs. The dress shouldn't be revealing. The men should wear light colored shirt with a dark bit of dark tie. So these are some of the dressing manners which impresses the person whoever sees you. The first impression is considered to be the best impression, and the dress plays an important role. After the dress, the body language plays an important role, but dress plays a very important role. The dress you wear, the watch you wear, the shoe you wear, the interviewers, whether if it is man, the female, or female, the male, they notice your dress and give a mark on your dress, and according to the mark they give, they will look upon you. To change your opinion, to change the impression, it takes a long time, but the first impression is considered to be the best impression to attract somebody. So have a taste on dresses, consult dress specialist and ask them what color of dress suits for your skin, your color, your height and your weight, and choose those fabrics and wear it on important function. Dress for appropriate occasions. Color for appropriate occasions. White color is considered to be unholistic. If you wear the white dress in a marriage function, that is for Hindus, not for Christians. Christians consider white dress as holistic. So, the dress color plays an important role. You should not wear a black dress and come for an important function. Black dress is suitable for funeral. For somebody is dead, you can wear the black dress and go. The color plays an important role. Thank you, sir.